Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the Tkinter library from your system. So we will be using the VS Code to do this particular operation. And if you are having any issues with the Tkinter library, it's best to remove it and install it again. So let's see how to uninstall the Tkinter library. First, after the opening of the VS Code, you need to head on to the terminal window and type in the following command, which is pip uninstall tk. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the uninstallation process to begin. And here you can see that it is asking me for a confirmation. In order to proceed, I need to type in Y and then again hit the enter button. And with this message, it is clear that the Tkinter library has been successfully uninstalled from our system, that the Tkinter library version 0.1.0 has been successfully uninstalled. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.